Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
VC, step down! VC, step down! VC, step down! VC, step down! We want justice! We want justice! VC, down, down! VC, step down!
Ka Northeastern Hill University Students Union, Nehusu, ka balong ka kenhuan jogi samla puli ke sekolah ba Northeastern Hill University hakan reu tere unai luar arja pulai. Ki la pelong dak jinga pe ba apo ke kampus ban dawa ya ki bor penya jogi ke sekolah ba ban Bishar Biang ya ke grading system bala pentrikam apo ke sekolah ba ban aiporu tang shipho sngi ban pentrikam ya ke ni jing dawa. Hendrai lem kumta ka union kan peteng ya ki jinga ki. Nalor kini ki samla puli gila dawa baden pensange syai ke result jang ke second semester kat bempat pentrikam ya ke grading system bat ban Bishar penyak Biang ya ke result jang ki semester kat kum ke grading system. Ya kini ke jingat pet ba ka sedang na Central Library lapun kot ha administrative block hakmat ke office trikam jang vice chancellor kan Nehu.
We shall fight, we shall win. For fair rights and unity. We shall fight, we shall win. Against this great humanity. We shall fight, we shall win. Against this great humanity. Save our future, save our lives. We shall fight, we shall win. For fair rights and dignity. We shall fight, we shall win.
From Nehu administration, we have set for demand draft also. They give us an assure they will do everything, but nothing has been done. So we are here to ask you in written. You give us in written, or else we won't move from here. We have to take an step to give an hunger strike also. Will give.
Don't do all these things. You are a first student.
Yes. So please understand us.
We would like you to sit here or.
Do you want in writing? Yes! Listen, we will talk no more unless they give us in writing.
Firstly, we would like the administration and Nehu faculty to apologize to students for the distress you have caused them with an exceptionally low grading system in all departments. First. Secondly, it is not just the grading, its percentage as well as grade have become incredibly low this time. So first we need apologies from the administration and teachers to the students for causing them distress and anxiety.
And also this type of issue, we don't have to come out so that we understand you as your position. You have to understand for the students, sir.
We are trying to understand. We are trying to understand once you have brought it to our notice.
Prevalent in Nehu, which systematically puts students at a significant disadvantage. It is with the concern that Nehusu demands an amendment of the current grading system under concern. Students of Nehu must receive just marks so as to get a fair footing while competing in various fields, be it academic or concerning employment opportunities. So Nehusu demands for the students of this university implementation of the relative grading system with immediate effect, withholding of second semester results until the implementation of the relative grading system. Yes. Revision of the results of previous semesters of the current batch in accordance with the relative grading system. Yes. As per guidelines, the implementation of relative grading system in universities across the country is clearly recognized. Relative grading system is recommended by AICTE in its document titled Best Practices in AICTE Approved Institutions to ensure efficient and effective practices for students' academic grade moderation. Nehusu's demands are well within the framework of higher education's governing bodies. Hence, the implementation of the above-mentioned demands can be carried out smoothly as it is not in conflict with prescribed guidelines under concern. Object of Nehu Act 1973 states that the object of the university shall be to pay special attention to the improvement of social and economic conditions and welfare of the people of the hill areas of northeastern region, and in particular their intellectual, academic and cultural advancement. Unfortunately, the current grading system of the university is impeding the academic and career growth of the students. Hence, it is in direct contradiction with the basic tenets upon which this university was founded. Hence, it is necessary for us to stand up, unite, and fight to save the tenets Nehu stood for. Thank you.
Nakaliang juga Nehusu mentah Sngi lah perlong karali rengkat lem kejengdon rengkat jengki kena borok. Kani ka rali kade halor jongka grading system apa Nehu. Kani ka grading system ngani tu pinadu ba ini review mana kaniru kila bypass kan Nehusu. Ti hajaka ban kan kiu kan anghiar ban. Mentada ka tu ka grade yam pin let tap PhD hapo department jongla diru pim numyo. Menta ki expect pat ingi bengin yo PhD. Te ndai tangga taru ini nakaliang jok administration ru kala assure ba kadika journal cost bangila yaki te kila ai assurance singi ba hapo sposngi kin ai ka jubab kin form committee hapo sposngi kin ini ke karai beki larai kin ai ni ndrai pat lada ka tu karai kamlong ka basai so ngim ban si man mi biang bat man shim na ka bakham shu ka jingeki
Kumbai yongi finance secretary ka jingwan yeki jongi hani kade namentaga grading system. Balai long kalong ka basong ma ngin shuai long ka jubab kawai ba kikna ki ba pulih we ke university kiyo kambun ban kikna university jongi. Te kawai kalong ba kala bande ba ka authority lani ki ba aya ki grade ki kanyi kna ki ba bit lani kala ban long ba kala bandon ka jingduna te hakani ka grading system dena takadaw ngiwan hande kumbang juang mene nadum ning yang ngiwan reban pan sibun ki max ai ngi kumbang ide ban yo dena tamaga grading system ka de ban change an nadu ba wan kani ka NEP ka hiar ba ki max namar ba bale menshwa ka CGPA ponjongi ka des hadu hinyau te ki khna tu ko poru ki bun ba yo hendriu san kumta hendrai menta ka CGPA point kala kiu shudu shpau hendrai menta ki khna ki dang yo hisan saw te kadon ka ege ka daw te ban ngilai kran ka tu ka ne ki professor bangim jer kertang ki ong ba nadu ba implement ka NEP kalong kumnete ka hiar ka max anda kala hiar ka max ka kta kumbalong finance secretary jongi ba ka hiar ka max ka kta ba namar da phi apply kam sarkar ka thol upa to ba 100% pide banyo haga degree jong phi bad la da pila PhD la ne da pila research hakan no field pidong kam 100% na benta ki ST ya ki general le hadu 60% ki de banyo te kamot la da ki khna ki yo 100% chapa la ne ga grade jong ki gaduna te ngingnum yo competition cho ini susah ko ne kidan ki khna ki bawan singi ki ombang kwa ban sim scholarship ban pule sabar ri ban lek pulih syak university ba pher hendrai ki mlare namar balai ka max chongi kala dunal pa ansa ka weiru ngin ayak sampel ka scholarship bun bagi kena ki balai nani hu kim yo re kim la bre ban apply kun ka NFST ban yo ka NFST namar balai ka max kala dunal pa ki wei pa ki bawa na university kumna ki ni ki university ki ba na not easy ki yo maki dena ta ka long nging bang se banwan mi namar ka de na banta ka lawe ke chongi na banta bang yo ban apply kam ka jing ki chongi kalong ba baro om de re bakendu ya kalat bakin ai ka exam lani bakin yakun habanta ka interview chong ka kam chong ki kam ki cham
Pri kumbul ong finance by vice president de ka jingi ki jongi hani kam de ka bangi pan palan long kumta kan ngi la li man ki department dai kendu man kena kan ke jingi kam dei ban favor ngi ke ban favor kena nomor ba kan ke jingi ki ka dei be ka bawan hi na ka sur ki kena lawan uat yang ni wat kita pa lawan uat yang ni ki ong ba ki yo tang 6 point kila snow kila tho ba ndrei da ki yo ke result ki yo tang 6 point fin de pek dei kuma example kum ha ka khasi department fin de pek ngai imen ne ki ba yo ki dei be 4 point dia kabu jingkli yang balai ba kalong kum tu lasai katu kamaks lada kilik tap kum bala ong i vice president kilik tap PhD shin nomor PP tangkan hu kamla ban provide ka seat ya baru kena for PhD seat kan dia lada kilik tap shawai kan bu jing bai ki nomor shawai ki pan 5.5 nai 100% ya 100% dia pi kan bu jing ba dia ngingim kwa kata ba kena ladi hi kena bu puli hi bu ulet shabar dan National University ba on changing tang nak daw kan ke grading system dengi kerpat kumbangi lawan mene ni administration yaki kumaong yaki om nam da ka jing kwa ka jing rim ta ki kena de mene la provide ingi dengan university begin review within 10 days kalau da kimne within 10 days nei ka bomot be ni ni union ringkat kena ngin ai yang ka jing ki ka ba kamting banyak ka bomene kamting banyak dia ni kerpat ikinong hikai at least kin sulong linian kindian akamak nomor ombaro obobiet pindapen mentana du utaparu ikumbula biet kamak sebagai ai kini hu utapa ikumbula biet dingi kerpat ikinong hikai at least bikin sulong linian kindian akamak
bangong mending ngimuan reban ban pan ye kai ke bangim de ban yo ngiwan pan ye kai ke bangi de ban yo an pindapai phi ke university kala hiar sudu Prapo kan no ka ranking ada ka prapo ranking ke university ki kena kinyo ka marks ka beret kamut ka degree jongi la sada apply kan ki ang kena ni hu le chikre
plus ka marks plus ka ranking kata pi
VC dan our in charge jong VC nomor VC dang sim interview bangi kumbang ni penpau ngimde re bangi percaya ki ngi percaya ke genuine issue but menu VC dan interview syata ngim kwa ban penthodi VC ai ba interview kon dan nomor le na kijing bahajungi kadai kata nomor bau kandon karukan mencong kinai kai ki kena kan khamyo khambun kijing kai te ngim percaya kata henry ka bawan ngim ta kesngi kolom ban race ke issue ba kani ga grading system kan